The National Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Wells County in south-central North Dakota, southern Sheridan County in south-central North Dakota, until 2:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:11 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles south of Esmond to 4 miles northeast of Goodrich to 7 miles north of Regan, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harvey, Fessenden, Goodrich, Hertzfield, Cafe, Bowden, Sykeston, Heimdall, Bremen, Manfred, Chazerly, Denhoff, Hamburg, Wellsburg, Emmerich, and Eaton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.